everyone, I'm Gurleen and welcome to this video wherein we'll be taking a closer look at FIN Nifty and analyzing the trade plan for the upcoming expiry on April 3rd, 2023. We'll also be taking a look at an interesting technical concept which is the opening range breakout or the ORB. So stay tuned till the end of the video and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and do ring the notification bell so that you never miss an update. Right before we start, FIN Nifty is an index that tracks the performance of the top 20 listed companies in the Indian financial sector engaged in various financial services such as banking, insurance, and others. FIN Nifty is an important barometer of the Indian financial industry's health, and it provides the traders and investors with a useful snapshot of the sector's performance. Well, that's to know about FIN Nifty, and now, without any further ado, let's take a look at the technical angle, starting with the monthly time frame. So after a continuous decline, you can see that FIN Nifty has almost closed flat for the month of March in the form of a doji candlestick, which signifies indecision on the larger degree. But if you take a closer look over here, you'll be able to see that FIN Nifty has held on to the moving averages. So does that mean we might be in for a bounce back? Let's dive right in for a multiple time frame analysis. Now here on the weekly chart, you can see that the index is trading within a downward sloping parallel channel and it is moving in a lower high and lower low kind of a structure wherein every high is lower than the previous high and every low is also lower than the previous low. And this right here is a classic sign of a downtrend. For that reason, it will be too early to call it a trend reversal, but we'll keep that possibility open as well. So here I am expecting FIN Nifty to test the upper band of the falling channel, which happens to be at the levels of 18,280 to 18,300. Now on the daily time frame, you can see that FIN Nifty reversed from the harmonic reversal level of 17,272 and it has held on to the lows and started a trajectory on the upside. Now in the last trading session, FIN Nifty also took out the major hurdle of 17,895 with a gap up. So will the positive momentum last? Now the gap up triggered a harmonic pattern on the hourly time frame and you can see the follow-up action after the gap up. So as it's an expiry day on Monday, what should be the plan of action? Well, it will not be unusual for the index to take a breather, and in that case you can consider the 20-40 hourly moving averages as the trailing supports, and that also highlights the fact that the maximum downside for FIN Nifty is capped at the levels of 17,850. Now as per this harmonic pattern, the upside target of 18,328 can be seen in FIN Nifty and it is in complete sync with the upper band of the parallel channel, which is around 18,280 to 18,300 levels. So this can be considered as the expiry range for Monday. On a 15 minutes chart, what we have right in front of the screen is a classic example of an opening range breakout. Now this strategy involves buying or selling a security when the price breaks out of the opening range, which is the range of the price movement that occurs during the first 15 to 30 minutes of the trading session. Now the basic premise of the strategy is that if a security breaks out of its opening range, it's likely to continue moving in the same direction for the rest of the day, presenting an opportunity for profit. So that's a brief overview of the opening range breakout, and do let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see a detailed video on it. Now moving forward, you can see that the index registered a wide bar in the first 15 minutes of the trading session, and thereafter the price consolidated in this range and finally gave a breakout on the upside. Now generally in case of a breakout, the stops are placed at the lower end of the range. Now for the upcoming trading sessions, the index is well placed above the moving averages, and even on the 15 minutes chart you can see that the index resisted from this gap zone placed right here, and it might trade sideways within this range, or if the gap is filled on the upside, then we might see FIN Nifty reclaiming the 18,200 mark, and as we've discussed a few moments back, that the downside looks capped at the levels of 17,850. Now that's for the expiry day, and if you haven't checked the market analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty and the best stocks to trade for Monday, I've linked the video in the description box below. You may check it out as well. And on that note, it's Gurleen signing off. Until we meet again, have a good time.